Hello, welcome to another Melee Air Raid special. This time we're in Super Sudden Death, 10 minutes, same people as last time. And the damage ratio is 2.0. Let's go to one of my other favorites. Let's see. Temple to be a little too hard. Huh. Let's go temple. Yay! Ow! Wrong at this! Oh! Wrong at this! Oh! God. No! No! I'll only do two 10-minute people, only two 10-minute ones. Just like I'm gonna be the finale. No! Oh, crap! What the? You're not even winning! You got a -1! You have no room to talk. Ow! It's gonna get survival those. No, really. Yeah, I'm not even winning, and I'm still the crowd favorite.
Holy crap, you losing?
Shut up.
Wow. I thought you were good.
I am, dude.
Why you didn't?
I don't know. Shut up. I was still winning.
Probably.
You made me go negative. There you go. Crap. Stupid capsule. How did she get credit? It was a self-destruct. Oh! Nope. Crap. What? Okay, how is that possible? Oh, really? Come on! Screw you, Capsule. Oh! Ow! What? Fail! Kill while taunted. What? Really? Oh, come on. How could you avoid that? If you had a shield, your shield would have broken and I would have killed you. What? How did that not hit? Oh! No! What? Oh, come on. Oh! Killed by the Rock of Death. What? Okay, what? Oh, what? Okay, seriously, you guys are killing me over the fact that I will get that warp start. And it's inevitable. And I'll kick your butts with it. What?
You get headphones like it.
Yeah, but I'm starting to fade. I'm only on one speaker. No. The black one's cracked out.
I think you get two pair of the iPhones out.
I do, it's just they're both fading. And one speaker. On the left speaker. Oh! Ugh! What? How did I not get credits? Stupid capsule! Stupid capsule! Oh yeah! What? What? Yes! Made it. What?
No, no, no. No! Ah! Gosh, finally, I'm gonna use this shit.
What? Yes, catching up. Crap. I just caught up, come on! Yay. Steal! Stole the lead. That's the way it should be. That would have been bad. You're not winning anymore. For long. Thank you, Samus. Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you. Oh, screw you, sheep. Zelda, still the same person. Come on, screw you. Payback. No. Man, it on the warp star. Oh. Just in case it was a capsule, not exploded. Just in case. You're not winning anymore. I am. Ah ha ha! I had a comeback though. Almost had to abort. But I'm not aborting now. Ah! Screw you! Oh! 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 Look at this! Oh! That matter.
It should go in 35 days.
Still won! Whew. That was a close call, folks. Close call. Dude, look at the chaos. 63.
Zelda almost got as many though.
Yeah, but it still won. Of course. 44. Oh man, stupid capsules with self-destructs. Yeah. Bleh. Bleh. Still had the least amount of falls though. That's good. 22. It killed Cheek 20 times. Meteor Smash 800. 350% damage at 15,000. Poser per 0,000. Instant Poser 1,000. No R for you. 300. Punching bag at 100. Crowd favorite 2,500. Lost luggage 3,000 in the fray 2,000. Center stage 2,000. Star KO. Cheap KO 10,000. Special KO 49,600. Adventure KO 12,500. Double KO 8,000. Foresight 3,500. Quitter. How am I a quitter? I didn't quit. Come on. Stupid Warp Star. World Traveler 20,000. Shooting Star 1,500. Castle KO 800. Item Self-Destruct minus 1,000. Triple items 3,000. Warp Star KO 15,000. First place 1,000. KO Master 1,500. Defensive Master 1,000. Self-Destructor minus 2,000. Minus 20,000. KOs 31,500. Falls negative 22,000. Self-Destructs 15,000. She got quarter two. Whew. That was a close call, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.